Morning, Chris. You brought your Suzuki Bandit 600 in.
600, yeah.
You won our free Hydroflow treatment. I know you've had the carbs balanced on this before, but you've had a few running issues.
Yes.
You've been very helpful by putting a bore scope down the cylinders, and we'll be featuring that when you get back and you've refilmed it. Since we've done the Hydroflow treatment, you've been for a quick ride on the bike. I'd just be grateful of your feedback before and after, please.
Yeah, certainly. Obviously very sceptical of it. Didn't really know the treatment or what it entailed. After looking at it, watching your videos on the internet, definitely better throttle response, a lot smoother. Sometimes when even just in traffic, you'd slow down for the car ahead, speed would drop, and then you put the gas on again, and it would just bog down, it would stutter a bit. It's totally cleaned that out.
Right, it was worth doing.
Yes, recommended, 100%.
Thanks very much, Chris. Look forward to seeing those videos.
Yeah, I'll get them done.
Thanks a lot, mate. Cheers.